Welcome everybody, today I'm here in Basel. Basel is a city outside of Zurich, about an hour by train, which I took this morning. Today I'm going to meet Aldo. Aldo and Yoki and I, we have been connected for, I don't know, 2 years, 3 years, I don't even know, and followed each other online. And he is a content marketing strategist. Today, for the first time, I'm getting some insights into how to do marketing the right way.
Hi, my name is Aldo Gnocchi. I'm very much into the topic of content marketing. It's a passion and it's also kind of a vision for me to change marketing mindsets of my clients to become more customer-oriented and less sales-driven. I worked, for example, with Ricola, where we developed a global content strategy. This was a very challenging project because we had to integrate lots of things like branding, positioning. We had to think about creative idea, how we can develop content in the future. That was certainly one of the most challenging projects because it was global. So we had to think about how do we adopt the idea in all the markets they're in. This was something where I learned a lot. Also, it showed me a little bit the limitation compared to smaller companies where you just do it. It's more complex, but I liked very much that we had to think out of the box in this project. So my approach is to understand businesses, understand their markets, understand their products, and most important, understand their target groups. Who are they? What are their pain points? What are they interested in? What are their values? So I think in practice, most companies don't really know their target groups. They just serve big markets and they do not think about segmentation and who their personas they want to reach really are. So this is where I help them. We make workshops together. I see myself or my role as kind of a challenger or also like a advocatus diaboli.
Devil's advocate.
A devil's advocate, right? Who really challenges all their concepts because most of the concepts companies have nowadays are based on traditional marketing and really have to change a lot of things. So I'm kind of a change maker, trying to give impulses that companies rethink their whole marketing and sales approach, especially for digital activities. What we do right now, I mean, video marketing is one of the, or let's say producing relevant and valuable videos that are easy to digest, where you have also according to your target group, a clear benefit that you provide is something that most companies need to invest in. Me, myself, I need to invest more time and also money into this field to make some personal branding. Most companies, they're quite good at the very basic content formats, let's say, put some pictures up with a little bit of text or maybe a little bit of product or promotional video, but that's not what consumers are interested. Either they want entertainment or they want to have more orientation, they want how-tos, things that they really can implement themselves or learn from companies and their competencies. That's one of the fields that companies need to invest a lot of resources and also need to have some kind of passion. Most of the customers I have do not want to make some kind of videos like we are doing. They don't want to show faces, and I think showing your face, let people feel who the person behind the companies are, is something very important. I think this is the trend that we are seeing even in blogging with author biographies and so on, but most certainly also for video. So showing face, be more human, be approachable, that's something very important in the field of content. What content marketing actually does is you rethink the whole customer journey of your clients. How do they decide from the point that they have some kind of awareness about your services or products until the purchases? That is at the end the bottom line, what companies want. What content marketing makes is thinking through all these steps of the customer journey and trying to provide valuable content that helps people to go through the customer journey more easily, and try to make sure that people want to work with you. So building trust, qualify yourself as an expert or as a solution provider, whatever your business is. Through content marketing, you can do it without sales speech. So you can really help, you can give orientation, you can even show what you really did until now with references, case studies and things like that. You build up trust and you qualify your prospects. So at the end, when they really are at the point that they want to buy your products, they are quite sure that they want to buy from you. And you cannot do it with the traditional marketing because people do not like advertising the same way they maybe did before. They're more critical. So try to understand your customer, develop your customer through the customer journey, and then make your offer. And what's very important, and I think we still have some kind of gaps, some companies position themselves as a very good company, very valuable, very influential or trustworthy, and also maybe as experts. When they come to the point that they want to buy, they have some kind of gaps that they're no longer so friendly and engaged as they were in the phase before through content. So you have to make sure that companies also get this kind of culture of customer centricity. That is a very important base to really provide your services or products, and use content marketing from awareness until after sales. You have to have this kind of culture and also mindset, and you should try to avoid these gaps and these breaches.
So today I spent a few hours here in Basel to speak to Aldo, an expert on content marketing. Are we doing some damage in the Swiss marketing world?
I hope so. You can recommend Cédric. Good guy.
I'll pay you later for that. So that was an exciting meeting here in Basel. I hope you enjoyed this type of video where I bring you into these meetings with these experts that I, get in touch with or do business with or whatever. But like this, you can really see who are the experts that I hang out with. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That would be really nice to make this kind of like a commitment. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.